Here we are, the first Holy Commandment. Are you ready? Let's go! This is it, the number one tip, the number one DJ tip every DJ must know. That one golden tip that rivals all other tips. It's so easy, it's so obvious, but you have to do it. This is the golden tip, the holiest of holy commandments, guys. This is it. When I realized this, everything fell in its place. I felt this awesome power inside me growing, this magical power, this unstoppable wisdom. I couldn't be stopped anymore, and now I'm going to share it with you. So that holy commandment, that first holy commandment, the best tip anyone can give you as a DJ is focus on the girls. Write it down, get a tattoo, do something, but this is that one tip you cannot forget. Every time you're DJing in any situation, focus on the girls. When you're doing all the other commandments, focus on the girls. When you're using the sine wave, focus on the girls. When you're giving the crowd what they want, focus on the girls. When you arrive early to do all the things you need to do, focus on the girls. When you're DJing and keeping it simple, focus on the girls. When you're DJing and you're being engaged with the crowd, focus on the girls. When you're involving staff, focus on the girls. Using the correct headphones, focus on the girls. Bling, 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 bling. When you're MCing in the club, what do you need to focus on? Focus on the girls. All the single ladies, make some noise. And also when you're preparing a plan B, focus on the girls. Who are the first ones that move to the dance floor? It's the girls. What are the guys doing? They're standing against the wall being cool. When you're playing the hit of the week, who are the ones that are screaming? Ah! It's the girls. What do you like more when going to a club? Seeing 100 girls on the dance floor or 100 guys on the dance floor? Who are the ones that go to the DJ all bubbly? Oh DJ, can I get a selfie? Oh DJ, can you play that song? Oh DJ, hey! It's the girls. What are the guys doing? Standing against the wall being all cool. If the girls are enjoying the party, the guys will enjoy the party as well. If the guys are enjoying the party, that doesn't mean that the girls will enjoy the party as well. Besides, the guys are only there for the girls anyway. When you're doing a good job as a DJ, you're focusing on the girls, and the girls start to whine and grind and shaking their behind, and all those guys are like, yeah DJ, keep it up man, keep it up. Everybody's happy. You keep the girls happy, they are doing their thing, and the guys, they are enjoying themselves, and you're getting props from the guys. So these are my 10 holy DJ commandments. Don't forget, with great power comes great responsibility. Use them, don't abuse them, and be that rock star. Peace out.